Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about how you can make money from app development even if you are not a developer. Many persons think that for them to make money from app development, they must be developers themselves. But the truth is, there are many persons who are making money from apps on Play Store and on Apple Store without being developers. There are different ways to make money from this platform. First is through in-app advertising. AdMob is the advertising service provider for Google. Through AdMob, you can add advertisement to your applications and they will run successfully. And when people download your applications and use it, as they're using the application, some adverts will be displayed on the screen. And as they view the adverts, as they watch the advert, as they click the links in those adverts, you get paid for it. So you don't have to be a developer for you to be able to achieve this. Then there is another aspect, which is in-app purchase. In your application, you can have people purchase things from you and they pay for it. For example, if you have a game app, it could be any type of game, maybe Sudoku or wordplay, any of those kind of simple games. When people download these games and they play, you could have a paid version. You could say, for example, that if they do not want to see advertisements, they have to pay a particular amount for subscription, possibly monthly or yearly, or even a lifetime no ads payment. So that is one way. Or you could have some features that they have to pay for before they can unlock it. For example, you could have some advanced features that once the users pay for that feature, they will be able to have access to it. Another simple way to make money is by simply selling the applications. So you could sell the applications that you develop or that someone developed for you. So these are simple and very easy ways to make money from app without being a developer. So how do you get the app? You could use some no-code applications like Thunkable, like Bubble, Adalo. These websites give you platforms to be able to develop your applications without coding. So those are platforms you can use. And if you want something more custom made, you could contact a developer to develop that application for you. It could be a game, like I said, it could be any type of application, something that people use often, because you need usage for you to be able to make money from advertising or from in-app purchases. So you could contact a developer. For example, you could contact me. I could help you develop the application, and then to walk through the process of deploying the application on Play Store or on Apple Store. For example, if you want to deploy your application on Play Store or on Apple Store, you will need DUNS number. I could help you apply for DUNS number so that you'll be able to successfully launch your application on Play Store. Also, you may need services like Google Developer Account. So you could reach out and we'll help you create a Google Developer account from where you can now host your application. Or you may need services like AdMob integration. Perhaps you've gone ahead to use any of those no-code platforms to develop your application, and now you need to integrate AdMob into it so that you'll be able to show adverts when people use your application. You could reach out through the link in the description and we'll walk you through the process or we could even help you with the process of integrating AdMob into your application. So through these simple methods, you'll be able to get your application on Play Store or on Apple Store to be able to earn money from your application. And the good thing about this business model is that most of these applications, you only have to develop them once. For example, if you develop a game like Sudoku or a wordplay that people are using daily, you don't need to do any other thing for you to earn money from it. All you needed to do was develop the application or get someone to develop it for you, place it on Play Store, integrate AdMob into it, integrate in-app purchases, and you start making money from that application from the get-go. If you launch your application today, you could start getting adverts the next day or even that very day, and from the next day you start seeing your revenue in your back end. So that is how simple the process is. If you could do it yourself, good and fine. Go ahead, develop your application, host it on Play Store, on Apple Store, integrate AdMob, integrate in-app purchases, and start making the money. If you have challenge with doing it yourself, like I said, you can reach out to me and we'll help you develop the application. We'll guide you through the process of hosting it on Play Store. We'll guide you through the process of integrating AdMob into it. We'll guide you through the process of verifying your AdMob account so that you'll be able to cash out the money when it gets to the threshold. So that is it for this video. If you enjoy content like this, I encourage you to subscribe, like, because I draw videos like this every time on this platform. Thank you for watching.